Now, why is this so important with the responsive design? Because our product variety is from a very small display all the way up to a very large display. So it, at the end, requires the flexibility that you can use the same HMI over and over again. So we have a flexible HMI design. We have from a small panel to large panel. But there are still sometimes requests from customers left over who have something specific in mind. And that's why I invited Patrick. Hello, Patrick.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, Roland.
We would like to talk about customization possibilities of our control panels. So if you as a customer have a specific need, how can we fulfill this? But let's start very simple. I am the customer, Patrick. I open the price book. I need some options for my control panel. What options do I have?
Yes, at first we have some standard options which extends our standard products for control panels and panel PCs. That's like, for example, a push button extension, a mounting arm adaptation, or maybe a USB port at the back side. So we have many options to extend our product portfolio with options we have in our price list.
Okay, so this is something everybody can do right away. Now, sometimes customers would like to go beyond that and would like to customize and also authorize the company with the panel. What can we do there?
So we have some levels of customization in our portfolio. The first level of customization is the customized imprint, what you see here on the left side. We have a control panel with a customized logo, and we have the opportunity to put this logo on which position the customer wants, or which size the customer wants, or colors. Everything is possible.
Okay, so brand recognition basically to make it according to his corporate design. Second point, I think this is even more important, is to understand the technical requirements of the application. And therefore, we have these push buttons, and you told me that we can actually change this day to day on a one-piece basis. So how can this be done?
Yes, so we have a push button configurator on our website, and with this push button configurator, we have the opportunity to say on which position which operating element is needed.
Okay.
So the customer can do it by himself, that he see on the fourth position, I want an illuminated push button, which is latching and is blue, without a tag holder. So you can save it, and then you have put it down. And that's is something you can do for the complete push button extension. And it's important to say that there is no minimum order quantity to order.
So if you're a special machine builder, you can really go through the functions you need. Well, I need the key switch, start, stop, reset, USB, whatever, and you just pick it, press a button, and then our sales force can make a quote, and you can have this one piece only.
Yes, of course.
Wow. Now, some customers are going above and beyond that, and we have two more samples here. So what was the request here?
So here on the left side, we have a customized control panel, which is for CNC applications. And there are some requirements in this area which are fulfilled here. We see angeled push button extension with a foil push buttons here on this side. We have an RFID scanner, and we have a gray code rotary switch.
Even with color, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, we have the possibility to have a light bar on the side, and with this you can show some functions for the machine.
Okay. So this is function and design, and sometimes it goes even further with the design, and this is a good example here. So what functions are integrated here? Because it doesn't look like a Beckhoff panel anymore.
Yes, of course. At first, I have to say it's a completely new housing. It's in black and not in aluminium like the other ones. And the design of the panel is also very different in a set of the other panels. Also, we have a push button extension on the bottom at the side, and also a rotary switch here. So we have many possibilities to fulfill customers' requirements.
I think what people even probably don't see from the outside is that this is still our standard inside. So it's the touchscreen, the display, the electronic, the communication, the motherboards from our standard portfolio, so proven and valid, but now specifically packed for the customer.
Exactly.
Now, when I take a look into our new product family, what we call the next multi-touch panel generation, we have some push buttons there also integrated. Now, with this new concept and with more standardized items, is the flexibility gone, or can we still offer this for our customers?
No, the flexibility is not gone. We also have the possibility to have an USB port at the side, to have a push button extension at the bottom, and also these push button extension, there will be a configurator too. So there's no minimum order quantity to create your push button extensions like you want.
Okay. So basically, you're not running out of work because we take the flexibility from our old system also into the new generation.
Of course, yes.
Well then, good luck and thanks for the insight, Patrick.